Anyways, let's get into that Scorpio. Let's get into that Scorpio. That's the 8th house. We almost through the entire zodiac wheel, and we done covered a lot. We done covered planets. We done covered, you know what I'm saying, what this means, fixed, mutable, or cardinal. We gonna keep it going. So, you know what I'm saying, that's the symbol for the Scorpio. M with an arrow. I don't know why, but you know what I'm saying. Ask the ancestors. Anyways, your domain is within October 20th to November 20th, around that time, okay? 8th house, water sign. This is your Scorpion. Clearly. Anyways, this is a fixed water sign, making them stubborn. You know what I'm saying? Them Scorpios, they're just stubborn. They fixed, just like the Tauruses. Forget the other one we said who was fixed, but I'm gonna give all my attention to you Scorpios right now. So let's keep it moving. Water signs being emotional, sensitive, and sentimental. I know you water signs now. Act like I don't know you water signs now. You emotional. You know what I'm saying? Keep it together. All right. So Pluto, ruled by Pluto. Is not your unconscious mind? I don't know if I wrote the unconscious mind down, but I could have swore Pluto was your unconscious mind. So, or, you know what I'm saying, associated with your unconscious mind. Anyways, Pluto is associated with transformation, power, obsession, and fears, and possibly your unconscious mind. I think so. You can double check for me, but I'm just going to go with that. Okay, so, you know, overall, though, Pluto being associated with transformation for the most part. Okay, so we love that. Transformation, evolving, moving forward. Let's get into it. Okay, let me just make sure this record. Anyways, let's go. So, you know what I'm saying? Scorpios can be resourceful, brave, passionate. It's crazy that a water sign is brave. You know what I'm saying? That's cool. You ain't being too emotional. Scorpio. So this probably your less emotional water sign. I think so. You know, with the Scorpios that I'll come in contact with. Anyway, so these are passionate, stubborn people, of course, because they fixed. They're secretive. You gotta watch out for them Scorpios. They ain't trying to tell you everything. They ain't trying to let you into all the information. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta watch them Scorpios. They Scorpions, you know what I'm saying? They will hit you with that stinger. You feel me? Violent. Like I just told you, they hit you with that stinger blood. Stop playing with them Scorpios, you feel me? They violent. You know what I'm saying? They could be violent, prone to violence. Assertive, you know what I'm saying? Putting their first foot forward. So y'all assertive too. That's like a fire sign. Y'all brave too, which is unlike, you know what I'm saying, a water sign. You know what I'm saying, being prone. That don't mean just because you're a water sign you can't be brave. Like, don't take it that way. Anyways, determined, decisive. See, y'all decisive too. Y'all leaders and y'all emotional. See, a Scorpio is like a lot of different stuff in one. You know what I'm saying? And y'all ruled by Pluto. Like, very intriguing. Anyway, so let's get into the likes. Inner dislikes. Likes, truth. We love truth here, baby. So I could probably mess with a Scorpio. You know, we compatible. Anyways. Facts. Being right. You know what I'm saying? You know, I like being right too. Probably got some Scorpio in my chart. You know what I'm saying? Likes long time friends. Of course. Teasing people and grand passion. That's that Scorpio. Dislikes dishonesty. Stop lying to them Scorpios before they sting you with that stinger. You feel me? Hates revealing secrets. I told you they secretive. That's that Pluto, you know what I'm saying? All the way in the back, real little. They ain't trying to let you in and everything, you know what I'm saying? And dislikes passive people. And it's crazy, yo, water sign. You Scorpios, man, y'all very intriguing. You a water sign, but you hate passive people? Or not hate, but dislike passive people? You prone to dislike like, that's crazy. Anyway, y'all compatible with Tauruses and Cancers, which is a water sign. And you know that Taurus is an earth sign. The Taurus mess with them water signs. Because, you know what I'm saying? We can get together. You be emotional, and I'll be grounded. And, you know what I'm saying? We can make the world a better place. We got 3. Oh, no, we got 4 more. Okay, let's get it.